Hi guys, Adrienne Marks here with Adrienne Marks Real Estate, coming to you from beautiful Pines Park and Dana Point. I just got out of a 3-hour probate and, well, essentially it was a probate class that was held by attorney Paul Horn. I've taken this class, I think this is my third or fourth time over the last 10 or 11 years. Periodically, I like to get a refresher and find out if there's any new benefits or information I can share with my clients. And I always learn something new, and I just thought I would take a few minutes to make this video while these topics are fresh in my mind and just share some of the info that was presented today by Paul. Now, again, I'm not an attorney or anything like that, so you guys always need to seek your own advice from your trusted attorneys. Essentially, what he shared today was the importance of knowing the best way for you to hold title on your real property to protect your asset so that your heirs are receiving the financial benefits from a step-up basis on the value of the property, or receiving protection by the property being held in a trust. Many people choose to hold title on their property as joint tenants, and I'm not sure why. I can tell you, years ago when my husband and I bought our first property, that's what we did, because we just didn't know that there were other options or what those other options meant. So one of the things that I would provide for you guys in a link below is how to know what the difference is in owning a property as your sole property, owning it as joint tenants, owning it as a community property or community property with right of survivorship. Wow, there's a chopper flying over. I don't know if you guys can see it back there. It's causing a lot of noise and interfering with my recording here. Anyway, there's so many things that you should take into account when you own property, and if you have children especially. So one of the benefits that owning your property or holding title to your property in a trust provides is that it avoids the probate process, and it can be quite cumbersome for your heirs to deal with probate. And there's different levels of probate. If there's unity among the family, you might be lucky enough, or your heirs might be lucky enough to just be able to hire an attorney to request full authority for a particular person to be in charge as the personal representative. And if there's some disagreement, then you will have to go with limited authority, and that requires a lot of court involvement, and it makes the process just a little more challenging and a lot more time consuming. So there is so much information. I could go on for a long time, but I really don't want to keep this video going for too long. But really think about finding information for yourself on the best way to hold title. Again, there is a link here for you to look at. There's other protections offered by a trust if you or someone you know is a recipient of medi-cal and they own a property. You know what? Unless their property's in a trust, medi-cal can come after them, and the heirs will have to write a check from any proceeds that are available through probate to pay medi-cal back. And that can be a lot of money. You guys know how expensive medical care can be. It's not all covered through our insurance. So anyway, make sure whoever you're working with has knowledge of these different things. And if you are looking for a realtor to represent you to sell a property that was left behind by someone that you know, you want to make sure that they've actually worked with probate and that they know what's required by the courts, what's required by the attorneys, so that they can help you through every step of the way. So be sure and ask those questions to protect yourself and to make the process run a lot smoother. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm having a great day. How could I not, with this beautiful view? Although I have to say it's quite freezing here in California. That's why I've got on my scarf and my coat. It's 54 degrees, but the sun is out and life is good. Talk to you soon. Take good care. Bye.